In the last video, we touched the introduction, the interactions, which we've done that already, and we're also planning on making it more complex. But for now, let's leave it this way. So, in this video, I'll just be explaining to you what really meant under this bot message. We have the prior responses, have the custom variables, attribute, child bubbles, embedded media, arithmetic operation, logic operation, and the interaction section. Okay, so but here we'll be talking about the what? Bot message. And let's move. Okay, so we have prior response. Prior response is used, prior response is divided into two. We have the response text and the what? Extracted data. The response text is used, I getting me? Is used to receive, like retrieve an information that has been said earlier by the user. When we start practicing, okay, for instance, let's just do something like this. Um, in this review, I said, what's your review about the product? So the product will show here the product that user typed in this place. Each of the products would you like to give review for? So whatever the user should type here, I want it to show in this place. Since I don't know what the user will type, I cannot just write what I want. So that's where the prior response come into play. So using prior response text, it will just automatically write this for us. And you can also write it manually yourself too. Not bad. Okay, so here we have the response to so now the interaction ID. You have to replace the interaction ID with this text ID. Now the interaction ID is the product, which is this one. So I'll be 4035502. I don't have to write it. I'll just highlight and write it manually or click on interaction and choose whichever one I want. So I'm choosing product. So this should show product. Why we have fallback? Fallback is the text that would show text that would show if the user does not type anything at that place or the maybe a wrong connection or this and that. So the fallback would be showing text. I make sure that there's a space between the ID and what the fallback text. This space here is necessary. Are you getting me? Yes, now we have the custom variables which are not going to be but the normal to old values. So we have to which is the set value and what the get value. So use the set value to set a value. Why the other one get values to what get the value. So here this one is what I'm creating the value, the variable. What I'm creating the variable. Why this one is going to do what show the variable. So what I'm going to type here must be the same as what was here. So we don't really know. Let's continue. Okay, so we have the attributes like getting the user profile pic. I getting me the user profile pic and the rest. Or maybe this the profile pic is from Facebook. From channels or from Facebook, the user last name. I getting me. So now we don't really need this custom variables and attributes. But later, when I create more videos, I'll explain better because for this bot, we don't really need custom variables. We don't even really need them. We don't need the custom variables, attributes, logic operation, embedded media, arithmetic operation. Just now we move to the next one, which is the chat bubbles. Chat bubbles, chat bubbles, we have the two different ones, the instant response and the what delayed response. So for instance, when you're chatting with someone on your WhatsApp or the WeChat or your Facebook, I can drop multiple messages. I getting me? Not like making the text very, very long, then you see something like see more, see more, see more. It's also possible for you to like drop this first paragraph, drop another paragraph, drop another paragraph. You can also do the same thing for your bot. And you can, after dropping a paragraph, you can start to wait for some seconds for the user to read if you want, and drop the next paragraph. Okay, so that's what chat bubbles does. That's why we have instant response. So you can just decide, I can give you an example. Welcome to Joe Smartbot, blah blah blah. So yeah, I want to break the text. Instead of it coming out this way, I can just text interaction. I want to text this one is interaction. You can see, welcome to Joe Smartboard, then this. I don't like it this way. So I can use the chat bubbles, instant response. I get SMS. Now let's test interaction again. You can see, brought it separately, but still the same review bot typing. You can try to add some seconds to it. So delayed response. So this is where you have this 4x. Just type in the number of seconds. If it's just a digit seconds, add zero at the front, then maybe number of seconds, maybe 3 seconds. Let's check. It's waiting for the 3 seconds to complete, then it will drop the message. If you notice, you can see seconds is 53, here is 56. So the difference is what? 3 seconds difference. Okay, so move to the next one, which is the embedded media. If you want to add the media to your word statement, you cannot just drop them like that. Maybe like dropping link. For instance, when you drop a link, you expect it to be clickable for the user. But when you just drop link in the bot message, the user cannot click on it. And that's stress for the user for them to be copying and then pasting. It don't make sense. I have to use the embedded media. Even for images, you have to embed the image, convert the image to link, then paste it here. Or an audio or a video. Okay, let's just do something. Let's quickly practicalize that quickly. Okay, so first of all, if I want to a link, that's the URL is equals to then the link URL. I get me. So this is where the link URL will be. Let's get a link. Let's get a link. Um. Okay. Let me just use this link. Control C. Then paste the link here. Label URL. I can just also paste that same link there, or I can just give a label to it, and I'll just say CSS. Okay, so the CSS tutorial. Now let's test this. So it's waiting for the 3 seconds. What you be seeing is what the CSS tutorial. When I click on it, it takes me to the CSS tutorial page, which is this. I get to me. Okay, just for instance, if that's not what I wrote here, if this is what I wrote, I'm testing interaction. This is what it brought out. This is not a clickable link. Except if I should just copy it and then paste it somewhere. I get me. So move to the next one, which is you can also try for image to see the same thing too. The image URL. Let's quickly do that. So let's quickly do that. Let's quickly do that. Embed media image. You can just go online quickly, get an image. Okay, so for instance, I want to get the image of this one. All right, click copy image address or copy link address, then paste it in the image URL part. Control B. Let's see how it goes. Test interaction. Okay, so I made a mistake. What you just do is embedded media, then the image. You just go to the click on the link. When you click on it, allow it to take you to the website, the main website. Then you do what? Copy it from when you get to the website first. Right click, then copy image address, then paste it in the image URL space. Then I'll check your bot. You see that it's now showing well. You can see the image. Same thing with video and audio. You just copy the link and paste it there. And lastly, we have the interaction. Interaction, this is where we get the interaction IDs. All you have to do is just click on it and to type the ID. So thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe. Bye. That's just all about the interaction.